London, the capital of England, is one of the most visited cities in the world. It is a place where history and modern life blend perfectly. From ancient castles to futuristic skyscrapers, every corner has a story. The River Thames flows through the city, connecting famous landmarks and lively neighborhoods. London is home to world-class museums, royal palaces, colorful markets, and stunning parks. It is a city of culture, fashion, and endless energy. Whether you enjoy history, food, art, or shopping, London offers something unforgettable for everyone. The Tower of London is one of the most famous landmarks in the city. Built almost 1,000 years ago, it has served as a royal palace, a prison, and even a zoo. The tall stone walls and towers hold centuries of secrets. Visitors can see the dazzling crown jewels, guarded by the yeoman warders, often called beefeaters. The tower is also home to the legendary ravens, believed to protect the fortress. Walking through its grounds feels like stepping back into medieval times, surrounded by stories of kings, queens, and intrigue. Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the British monarch in London. It has over 700 rooms and a grand balcony where the royal family appears during celebrations. The palace is famous for the changing of the guard, a colorful ceremony with soldiers in red uniforms and tall bearskin hats. Visitors can admire the palace from outside, and during summer, some state rooms open to the public. Surrounded by beautiful gardens, Buckingham Palace is not only a symbol of the monarchy, but also a place where history, tradition, and national events come alive. The Houses of Parliament, also known as the Palace of Westminster, sit beside the River Thames and are one of the most iconic sights in London. The grand Gothic-style buildings are where important decisions are made for the United Kingdom. Rising above them is the famous clock tower, often called Big Ben, though that name actually belongs to the giant bell inside. The clock is one of the most accurate in the world, and its deep chimes are known everywhere. At night, the tower glows beautifully, making it one of the most photographed landmarks in the city. The London Eye is a giant observation wheel on the banks of the River Thames. It stands over 400 feet tall and offers incredible views of the city. Each glass capsule moves slowly, giving visitors time to see famous landmarks like the Houses of Parliament, Big Ben, and St. Paul's Cathedral from above. At sunset, the city lights create a magical scene that is perfect for photos. Opened in 2000, the London Eye has become a symbol of modern London and a must-see for travelers seeking a unique perspective of the city. Westminster Abbey is a historic church in the heart of London, known for its stunning Gothic architecture. For over 1,000 years, it has been the site of royal coronations, weddings, and funerals. Inside, visitors can see tombs of kings, queens, poets, and scientists, making it a place full of stories from the past. The tall stained glass windows fill the space with colorful light, creating a peaceful and inspiring atmosphere. Westminster Abbey is not only a place of worship, but also a treasure of history, art, and culture in the city. The Victoria and Albert Museum, often called the V&A, is one of the world's largest museums of art and design. It houses millions of objects, including sculptures, textiles, ceramics, and fashion from different eras and countries. Visitors can explore beautiful galleries filled with intricate designs and creative masterpieces. The museum also hosts special exhibitions showcasing art, photography, and innovation. With its grand architecture and endless collections, the V&A is a place where history, culture, and creativity come together, inspiring everyone who walks through its doors. Hyde Park is one of the largest and most famous parks in London. It covers hundreds of acres of green space, with walking paths, open fields, and peaceful lakes. The Serpentine Lake is perfect for boating or relaxing by the water. Visitors can enjoy picnics, bike rides, or simply strolling among the trees and gardens. The park also hosts concerts and events throughout the year. Hyde Park is a calm escape from the busy city, offering nature, fresh air, and a chance to see Londoners enjoying outdoor life in the heart of the city. The Shard is the tallest building in London and a striking feature of the city's skyline. Its glass exterior reflects sunlight by day and city lights by night. Visitors can go up to the observation deck to enjoy panoramic views of London stretching for miles. Inside, there are offices, restaurants, and a hotel, making it a busy hub of activity. The Shard combines modern architecture with breathtaking scenery, offering a unique perspective of the city. From above, the River Thames, bridges, and famous landmarks look small, creating an unforgettable experience. Camden Market is a vibrant and colorful part of London, famous for its unique shops and street food. The market is full of stalls selling clothes, crafts, antiques, and handmade items. Visitors can explore narrow streets filled with music, art, and lively energy. The food area offers dishes from around the world, making it a perfect spot for a snack or a meal. Camden Market is not only a shopping destination, but also a place to experience London's creative and alternative culture, where every corner has something new and exciting to discover. Covent Garden is a lively area in the heart of London, famous for its shops, restaurants, and street performers. The Old Market building is full of boutiques, cafes, and craft stalls, creating a vibrant atmosphere. Visitors can watch talented musicians, magicians, and entertainers in the open square. Nearby, theaters and art spaces offer shows and performances for all tastes. Covent Garden combines history, culture, and fun in one place, making it a perfect spot to explore, shop, eat, and enjoy the energy of London's streets.